How often should I seal my stone floors? If you've ever wondered how often to seal your marble, granite, or other stone floors, well, the industry answer is simple: once a year. But the real answer, it depends. Every home is different. The right schedule depends on traffic use, how you use it, or even your personal standards. Here's how I break it down. Showers, you use them daily. Reseal them once a year, no exceptions. You got soap, water hits it constantly, do it. Powder rooms, barely get used. You can probably go every 2 years. Mud rooms, kids, pets, boots, salt, grit, these take abuse. Seal them every 6 months. Foyers, not the busiest space, but it's the first thing people see. Every 2 years is a good rule of thumb. Outdoors, you got rain, sun, salt, debris. Clean those every year. So, yes, the rule of thumb is yearly, but lifestyle matters more. Now, here's the best way to know for sure: the water test. Drip a little bit of water on the stone. If it beads up like rain on a waxed car, it's sealed. If it darkens and soaks in, it might be time to reseal. Just remember, different stones have different porosity. Granite is dense and beads longer. Limestone and travertine a little bit more porous and may absorb faster, even when it's sealed. We cover that in detail in our FAQ, How Can I Tell If My Stone is Sealed? And a key reminder: sealers don't stop etches from happening. They protect against stains by slowing down absorptions. But acids like vinegar, wine, or lemon juice, they can still leave dull marks. For more on that, check out our FAQ, Can I Use Vinegar on Natural Stone Surfaces? So to recap, your cheat sheet for sealing stone floors. Showers, do them every year. Powder rooms, do them every 2 years. Mud rooms, potentially every 6 months. Foyers, every couple of years. If it's outdoors, annual. And when you're not sure, confirm with a water test. For sealing, cleaning, and protection, we built a Clean Stories product line from real world service experience. Daily cleaner for safe, streak free maintenance. Deep cleaner for heavy dutier jobs. Penetrating sealer to protect the stone. We use these same products every day in the field. You can order them on Amazon. Right now, just search A Clean Story Marble Cleaner or click the links in the descriptions below. And if you're in the Chicagoland area or neighboring suburbs and you'd rather leave it to the pros, call us, CSI Absolute Clean. Just Google us or click the links below. We specialize in stone sealing, polishing, restoration, so your stone always looks its best. And that's how often you should seal your stone floors. The industry says yearly. The truth, it depends on how you live with your stone.